I really wanted to spruce up my desk space, so I began the hunt for a desk lamp. That's when I came across the 12V Monster LED lamp. I love how the designer created a modern banker lamp using LED lights. This lamp could not have been more simple to put together. Simply take it out of the box, pop it open, plug it in, and you're ready to go. This was the exact addition that my desk needed to become the perfect working space. It doesn't take up too much of the table space, but still puts off plenty of light. Another amazing feature about this lamp is that it actually has 3 different light settings. Each time you turn on and off the lamp, a different light setting will appear. So depending on if you wanted more of an LED color or a warm color, they've got you covered. Not only is this lamp perfect for office, but it's also perfect for any other part of your home. It also folds down for easy storage. Order your 12V Monster lamp now.